gonna be it. Got this from a buddy I met at the Swap and Show. Next is the Dremel. This is definitely something you could screw up. I ain't no welder, but I'm a pretty good grinder. Well, multiple coats.